guys, it's Dylan, and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my refrigerator. So let's get started. Starts off pretty basic. We have all of our yogurts up here. Earth Balance, way better than butter and much healthier. It's a must-have. Also, we have pickles, and everyone needs these because they're such a big deal. You know what I'm saying. Down here on the second shelf, we have our drinks. My dad's side is towards here. He likes his Arnold Palmer, so we keep all the lemonade and iced tea over there. Over here, we have our milks. We don't keep a lot of dairy here. We try to stay away from that, so this is one of my favorite substitutes. It's called Ripple, and it's made from peas. And over here on the side, we have our sauces. Sriracha is obviously my favorite because everyone needs sriracha. Also, ketchup, marinara sauce, anything you can think of. And down here, we have our cheese and fruit drawers. So, just a quick refrigerator tour.
Hey guys, it's Zoe, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my fridge. So, the first thing I have is this tea, this Golden Peak tea. And then I have all the condiments right here. Mayonnaise, mustard, some more mayonnaise, and relish. And then I have some more condiments up here, some salsa, ketchup, I don't know why that's in the refrigerator, but it's in the refrigerator, and then some taco sauce. And then over here I have some pickles, jelly, and some more salsa because we eat tacos like every day. And then I have some coffee creamer because I love coffee. And then I have some milk. And then some lemon juice. And then I have some lettuce, some taco shells. Oh, okay, cookie dough, an avocado, some eggs, some more coffee creamer. I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, it's pears. What is it? That needs to go in the trash. Not sure what that was. It kind of smelled like beans. Some water. This is weird, but it's in here. Some sugar. And then I have some cucumbers and tomatoes. And then I just have like half drunk water bottles. And then I have drunken Arizona tea. I have some oranges and some lemons in there, some more lettuce, some onions, bread, cheese, yogurt, and then some turkey meat. Yeah. And then some mozzarella, bacon, and just some more cheese. Oh, and then I have some butter up here. Okay. So that's pretty much what's in my refrigerator.
Hi guys, this is John, and I'm gonna show you what's inside my refrigerator. So, right here I have some drinks, got some apple juice, milk, buttermilk for when my dad makes pancakes. I have some vanilla yogurt, some strawberries and blueberries for when Carson makes yogurt parfaits. I have some chicken here and some pot roast, which we're gonna make because I love pot roast. Down here are some apples, because as you know from one of my earlier videos, I love apples and I think they're great. So yeah, that's what's inside my refrigerator.
Bye!